guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my November favorites video, which I'm excited for because that means November is over. That also means my exams are approaching, which I am not prepared for, so. Funny side note story, I was FaceTiming my sister and she was making fun of my choker because apparently they're not in anymore, and she told me that one of her friends used to wear a black bra strap as a choker, and I think that's honestly a life hack. Like, let's be real, we're all jealous of that girl because she beat the system, you know? This is a favorites video. I have favorites, let's get into them. Okay? Okay. One of my favorites this month is actually a palette I reviewed on my channel, and I want to say thank you for all the support on that video. It is the Alien palette by Jeffree Star. I'm still not a huge fan of the packaging because it's just difficult. Like, very large. Can't even hold it. But I really love, no matter what makeup look I'm doing, I find myself reaching for these shades. Pluto, I really love to have a really light highlight because my skin tone is so light. I really like having really light, like, spotlight color. So that's beautiful. Interstellar, I just used this on a friend. I did her makeup for her Christmas formal tonight. Shout out to Ashley. And then Gravity is just a really good transition shade for almost any of my palettes. I really have been reaching for this. Not to do my makeup with just this palette, but for specific shades, which is interesting. More beauty favorites. I got this at the beginning of the month because I had run out of a different translucent setting powder, and this is the Born This Way, and I was honestly, I wanted Hourglass setting powder, but this was the closest thing. I had a formal that night and I needed to get setting powder like immediately because I had completely run out of my setting powder. I know, biggest disaster in the world. So I ran to Ulta and just picked this up because I love this Born This Way foundation. And this powder is just really, really smooth and beautiful, and it really allows you to be, it's great for baking, but it's also just great for setting the face. It does a really good job of not making the skin look like it's covered in makeup, even though of course it's covered in makeup, just for like a smoother kind of look, less like, oh, there's gross foundation in your pores kind of look. Now, I know that I just reviewed this, and so like, how could this be your favorite? But I love this so much. I'm wearing it today. I've worn it every day since I reviewed it earlier this week, and it's the Snow Angel highlight. I'm wearing it right now, and like, it's long lasting, it's beautiful, it's glowy, it's just the perfect formulation. I'm so shocked. Like, I did not expect this to be this good. This is amazing. So if you can get your hands on the Kylie Snow Angel highlighter, it is so, so pretty. I love this. This isn't technically makeup, this is a perfume. And I was like jokingly like, ew, that's a really weird color for a perfume. Like, that's nasty. It looks like milk or something. While we were in Urban Outfitters, and then I smelled it. And this smells like, do you guys remember when everyone was obsessed with that pink sugar perfume? It was made by some brand called like Aquafina or something, I don't even know. But everyone was so obsessed with it, and it smelled like literal candy, and it's so like sick. It was so sickeningly like sweet. It was disgusting, but like in a way that you wanted to smell disgusting. This kind of reminds me of that, and like a disgustingly sweet, but like scent. And so this is actually surprisingly really long lasting as well. I think this was like $18 at Urban Outfitters. I guess it's their in-house brand. It just literally says 21 on it, so I don't know. It is so rare for me to like a cheaper perfume. I am always a Jo Malone kind of girl, and if you know Jo Malone, those aren't cheaper perfumes, so I never even like smell lower end perfumes, which sounds so weird. I'm just weird about perfume, and I'm like, why would I think I just used way too much body mist as like a middle schooler, and I was like, alright Charlotte, you can never get to this point in your life again where you're wearing so much body mist, and I just can't go back to body mist. But I really like this. I really like this product, Rose Chocolate. It does look gross though. It looks like you're gonna spray milk on yourself. I don't like that. Not one bit. I talked about this product in my last month's favorites video. It was me unboxing this video, and I was gonna like, hey guys, I'll check in if this is a good product. Also the body oil, I don't think you need the body oil. I really don't like it that much. I don't feel like it's cleaning my skin enough. But this, the Body Hero Daily Perfecting Cream, I think is amazing. Oh, it smells so good. It's definitely unisex. Like, it doesn't smell exactly like their other stuff. They have like a definite like Glossier scent. But this just smells like clean with like a little bit of musk, which is nice. Yeah, it just smells clean. And what I like about this is that you can really, it says it's like formulated to be put on right after you get out of the shower. And most lotions, if I try to put them on like freshly shaved legs, will irritate my skin, and this does not irritate my skin at all. And it leaves my skin, I wouldn't say 24 hours, but like, I don't know, 16, 18, it keeps my legs moisturized for that amount of time. And so I really like this. It's a really good mixture between, it's a really good in the middle between like a really heavy, thick, like Body Shop body butter and like a body cream or like a lotion. Like, it's definitely a good in between. I really like this. Now really, I've been doing so much shopping in November because I'm so excited for December, which is my favorite month of the year, which starts tomorrow. And so I've purchased a few things in preparation for December, and I can't wait. I love Christmas. Okay, this next item is technically for children, but if you hate fun, that's your deal, okay? It's a Playmobil advent calendar, and this is adorable. So you can get these on Amazon for like $25. Depending on if you want to get like a really huge one, they're more expensive. But every day you get to open a new like Lego type thing, and it builds like the little scene. And so when you get to Christmas Eve, you have the full like scene on the front of the box, and it's so cute. I've done this for the past 2 years after I saw someone's kid actually use this, and I was like, that sounds hella fun. And so this really just brings a lot of joy to my cold dark soul, especially in the middle of final season, to just open like a happy little Lego. Like, look, there's an angel and a reindeer and a little elf that's just like Buddy the elf, and a little kitty cat and dog. I'm too excited about this. That's what I've decided. I made a really great purchase, which is a onesie that just has Taylor Swift's cats all over it. And I've talked about this before. I'm obsessed with Taylor. What the hell? I'm obsessed with Taylor Swift. I love her so much. She's literally my favorite person ever. And so I frequent her merch store, but she started this line for her cats that's like Meredith and Olivia Swift, and she's released some really cute clothes. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I love the sweatshirt, which I talked about in my October favorites, but this is like soft flannel pajamas that it's really a onesie that have really cute pictures of Meredith and Olivia, her cats, all over them. And they're like really good quality, and there's like little ears, and like, again, I'm gonna be studying, taking exams, and if you think I'm not gonna go out, like, I'm gonna go out in public wearing this. I'm gonna take exams in this. I've already like stayed in it for too long without washing it. But yeah, I really love this, and I think you should just get yourself a onesie for the month of December. Or if you're really enjoying any painful time in your life, or you have a lot of work to do, just get in a onesie and do it. Life advice. Today I did some damage at a store in which I have not been to in so long, so confused. Basically, I really love Nest Christmas candles, and I kind of was re-looking at the prices of the Christmas candles, and I was like, oh, those are really expensive. I don't want to spend 40 something dollars on a candle. So I was like, wait, I used to really like the Bath and Body Works candles. So I went to Bath and Body Works, which I haven't been in since I was like in middle school, since I was like 14. But I used to really love their scents around Christmas time. And one of my favorite scents, which is actually by Molton Brown, which was some kind of like tree fir, like Christmas tree scent, that they did a bath, they did a shower gel and a body lotion, and they don't sell it anymore. Because I guess no one else wants to smell like Christmas tree like I do, but that was so stupid. Oh my god. Anyway, I went to freaking Bath. I feel like a baby. I went to Bath and Body Works and spent too much money at freaking Bath and Body Works. I got some presents for friends, so I don't feel like that bad. Because it's gifts, you know? It's for other people. But I wanted to have some fun in the shower, like I always do. And so I wanted to get some Christmas scented shower gel, because as I said earlier, I usually use the Molton Brown shower gel, but for some reason they stopped making the one that smells like Christmas trees. If you guys have any good Christmas tree scented body products, let me know. Let a girl know. But I really like the Philosophy Candy Cane body wash. It's like a body wash shampoo and bubble bath, but they had this Twisted Peppermint, and I remember really liking this when I was in middle school, and it really does smell just like a candy cane. And this is something, I didn't even check the price before I bought this crap. It was $12.50. It's pink and it smells like candy canes, and I feel like I need to try this. So that's what I'm looking forward to. I literally haven't used this, but I'll use it tonight, man. I'll let y'all know. Homegirl also picked up a body cream, which claims to be 24-hour moisture. They all are, but I guess my skin's just thirsty, okay? And this is in Vanilla Bean Noel, and I used to have this body mist, and I would literally, like, dunk myself in it. Like, my skin would be, like, wet with this body mist that I just, ugh. It's almost like a bad memory because I smelled so much like this, but I really do still like the smell. It's really vanilla, sweet, but also like a little bit kind of like, it's just Christmassy in some kind of way. And so I do like this scent, and again, it's fun to have Christmas in every aspect of your life. So I'm going to try, I'm not familiar with their body cream formulations because again, it's been a really long time since I've been in Bath and Body Works, but we're gonna try it. The reason I went there in the first place, which was to get candles, which I did get. I got a Vanilla Bean Noel candle, and they had different, like, packaging for all of the candles. Like, you could get the same candle in, like, 4 or 5 different, like, tins, but this was, like, kind of like the glam candle. And these are 3-wick candles. Oh, this one's, like, a little bit beat up. These are 3-wick candles, which I really just like single wick candles because they don't burn as fast, but because it's just the month of December, I don't really mind. And then I also got another scent, which I remember really liking in the past, and I smelled it today, and I was like, this smells really good, which is the 'Tis the Season scented candle. And this one is much more like, oh my god, I think my mom used to burn a candle that smelled really similar to this because it really takes me back to, like, Christmas. Like, it's just Christmas. So, and they're red and green. Look at me. I still have, like, a bunch of other Christmas candles that I need to burn. I'm a hoarder. I don't think this can technically be counted as a favorite yet because, again, I've only worn it, like, twice. But the 2 times I have worn this lip kit, which I was like totally trashing. I was like, why would anyone want like a peachy nudie color for like December? That's stupid. I got so many compliments on this lip kit. Like I felt almost like, I love your lipstick, I love your makeup. People like stopped me to tell me they liked my lipstick, and I was like, thank you. That's what I needed. It really was what I needed. Like, I needed that. Girl who sits in front of me in my giant, like 400-person lecture hall, like, honey, thank you. But yeah, people seem to really like me in this lipstick, which of course is Kissmas by Kylie Jenner. And I think she's restocking her holiday collection soon. As I continue working with the products, I would say I love the blush and the highlight and the lip products and the Ultra Snows. I don't know if I'm vibing with the palette like 100%. I don't think you need the palette. Also, last weird favorite. This has been the most disorganized, like weirdest bunch of favorites. Like advent calendars, candles, a bunch of lotion. Like, what a weirdo. I'm such a freaking weirdo. Okay. I came back from college to see my family for Thanksgiving, of course. And on my bed, my mom had bought me a pair of Costco slippers. And I was like, yes, I need those. I was so excited. They're really soft and comfortable, and I've had UGG slippers before, and I find that those really wear out really quickly, like the fake Sherpa stuff. And these feel exactly like UGG slippers, except they're a lot less expensive, and they're just really comfy. And I love my heating in my apartment absolutely sucks because I have horrible insulation, like this window. It's bringing in a lot of cold air. So my feet get cold, and so even with socks, my feet get cold. So I like to walk around. Also, I don't know, if you live in a dorm or in an apartment, like to get to like the trash chute, or if you have like a package at the front desk or something, or you need to go talk to your landlord or something, and you don't want to put on shoes, these guys, because they do have like a durable, or walking your dog, but like you don't want to walk them really far, you just need them to pee. Like, yes, these these are so cozy. Weird favorites. Weird favorites. I know that this wasn't a really super beauty-centric video. I just felt like getting out a lot of what I've been enjoying and what I'm really excited to enjoy, which is a lot of Christmas stuff. Let me know what kind of Christmas content you want to see. I definitely want to do a Christmas party makeup tutorial because I went to a Christmas party or a Christmas formal last year and I had this makeup look that I absolutely loved. So I think I am going to film that video. But if there's anything specific you want me to review or film, please leave it in the comment section down below. A lot of you guys have started commenting and I really love that. And I'm really excited for December. Did anyone else watch, I mean everyone, what do I mean did anyone else? Everyone else probably watched Ariana Grande's Thank You Next video. Honestly, iconic. Just, thank you next. Like, that's a November favorite. Thank you next. Oh my god. I wish positivity and happiness to everyone watching this video, or just to everyone out there in general. I'm so excited. I've already bought so many people's Christmas presents and I've been wrapping them and I've been in full elf mode. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please, no matter what holiday you celebrate, like, enjoy December. Like, have fun. I love you guys. Bye.